Sufferings of people living in Sylhet division is not going to end soon, as the water level will continue to rise for next 3 days and the flood situation will prevail at least for 7 days. According to weathermen, upstream Cherrapunji in Meghalaya has experienced around 2,500 mm rainfall in last 72 hours. A record rainfall in 27 years. Coupled with the local rainfall in Sylhet division, this has worsened the situation, they said. Heavy to very heavy rainfall will continue for next 48 hours in Sylhet division, and also in upstream adjoining states of India. Just 2 weeks ago, we faced flash flood, and now another blow. Read more. If the rainfall continues for next 48 hours, the water level will continue to increase till Monday.
মানুষ ঘর বাড়ি ছাড়া আমি যে জায়গায় রয়েছি সেটি হচ্ছে রাস্তা। এখান থেকে গ্রামে যেতে আরো 2-4-5 মিনিট সময় লাগার কথা, কিন্তু সেই এলাকার মানুষ ঘর বাড়ি ছাড়তেছেন।
After that we can expect the water level will recede.
ঘর বাড়ি ডুবাই লিছে। আমি মাননীয় প্রধানমন্ত্রীর কাছে আকুল আবেদন, আমরা নেত্রীরে অসংখ্য ধন্যবাদ, আমরা লাগি দোয়া করতে পারি।
Said Arifazam Buian, Executive Engineer, Flood Forecasting and Warning Center, FFWC.
এখন আপনারা কই যাইতাতে?
এখন আমরা তো যেখানে রাই দোকানে খাই দিলাম দিয়া। কোনো কারণ নাই, আমরা আশ্রয় করব।
বাড়ি পুরা বুড়াইল। পুরা
বুড়াইল। একবারে কোমরিবা পানি।
ইয়া আল্লাহ।
বাচ্চা কাচ্চা লইয়া বড় কষ্ট আছে।
Arifazam said, the water level in Sunamganj may increase more than 1 meter, while in Sylhet at least 50 centimeters in next couple of days. He said, 407 millimeters rainfall was recorded in Maheshkola, Mulvi Bazar. So this spell of flood will continue in Sylhet division at least for next 7 days. 375 millimeters recorded in Sunamganj, 268 millimeters recorded in Jaflang, and more than 100 millimeters recorded in Rangpur, Netrokana, and Kurigram. But the worst of all, 972 millimeters rainfall was recorded in Cherrapunji in last 24 hours. He said, Times of India reports that world's second wettest place, Cherrapunji in Meghalaya, has logged a whopping 972 millimeters rainfall between 8:30 a.m. of Thursday and 8:30 a.m. of Friday, the IMD stated.
Monsoon storms in Bangladesh have killed at least 25 people and caused devastating floods that have left more than 4 million people stranded.
This is the third heaviest precipitation in this high-altitude northeast paradise in 27 years. Earlier, between 8:30 a.m. of June 14 and 8:30 a.m. of June 15 it received 811.6 millimeters rain.
It was above dangerous levels on Friday.
In the same period between Wednesday morning and Thursday morning, it received 700 millimeters of rainfall. All this water flow is coming down through Sunamganj, with making the situation worse. Professor AKM Saiful Islam of the Institute of Water and Flood Management at the Bangladesh University of Engineering and Technology, BUAT. He said, he saw a forecast of around over 500 millimeters rainfall in the Sylhet region. If the rainfall continues, it will cross the highest level of water recorded in Sunamganj in next 2 days, he said. The highest water level recorded in the Surma was 9.29 meter, from the mean sea level, while the current water level is 8.87 meter in Surma and Sunamganj.